Hello and welcome back. My name is German Grover. Today we will learn how to speak German in a supermarket. Imagine you are in Germany, you enter a supermarket, you want to buy food. What do you say? Don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you will confidently shop in German. Let's begin. When you enter a shop in Germany, you greet people. You say Guten Tag. It means good day. If you need help, say Entschuldigung. It means excuse me. Repeat Entschuldigung. Now ask for a product. You say Wo ist das Brot? It means where is the bread? Repeat Wo ist das Brot? Another example. Wo ist die Milch? Meaning where is the milk? You can also say Wo finde ich das Wasser? Meaning where can I find the water? Now the employee gives directions. Listen carefully. Gehen Sie geradeaus means go straight ahead. Dann links means then turn left. Dann rechts means then turn right. If you hear dot, it means over there. Dot, D-O-R-D, dot. And when someone says im Kühlschrank, they mean in the refrigerator section. Kühlschrank means refrigerator. These are the most common directions you will hear in a German supermarket. Sometimes you want to know the price. You ask, wie viel kostet das? It means how much does this cost? Example, wie viel kostet das Brot? Meaning how much is the bread? Repeat, wie viel kostet das Brot? The employee answers, das kostet 2 Euro, meaning that costs 2 euros. Or they say, das macht 5 Euro, means that will be 5 euros. Now you are at the checkout. In German, we say die Kasse. The cashier says Guten Tag. The cashier scans your items, then asks, Haben Sie eine Tasse? Meaning, do you have a bag? You answer Ja bitte or Nein danke. The cashier says das macht 12 Euro 50, meaning that comes to 12 euros 50 cents. You give the money and say Here bitte, meaning here you go. If you pay by card, you can say Mit Karte bitte, meaning by card please. After payment, the cashier says Danke schön, means thank you very much. You reply Danke, auf Wiedersehen, meaning thank you, goodbye. Great job! Now you can confidently communicate in a German supermarket. Practice these sentences again and try speaking them out loud. Remember, language learning works best when you speak every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, keep practicing with me and subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for the next lesson because we will learn more practical German topics that Germans use in everyday conversations. See you in the next lesson. Auf Wiedersehen.